planet which have a potential for killing the people, like Mars is located here. All these planets are activating at that specific 16 month of time. Okay, and in between the 16 months, we can just add the transit. You can get the specific month also for this event. Okay, like this easily we can see the regression of that Jupiter into the houses. We can easily see events. Okay, so can I move to next slide?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the second.
Vinayak, it was a very interesting one. Just
Yeah.
I wanted to know, anytime you diagnose the same thing on the year basis, for example, now this is 2020.
Hmm.
So COVID has taken up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
So sometimes what I've seen it is 4 like that something comes.
Hmm.
See, 2020 is a 4. 4th April 20. That was the
Hmm.
time when it was announced. Okay,
Yeah. Hmm.
lockdown. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
So it's same thing. I've seen some events in the earlier also. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
So like 26/8/2006, it was a bit problematic year.
Hmm.
Okay. So anything of your notice has come in picture?
Vinayak ji, I would
Yeah.
request you to first complete the lecture.
Yeah.
I
Then
think
then we can
questions
discuss.
we will take this on Vijay Kumar ji.
Shivam,
I'm sorry, sir.
Shivam,
I'm
Shivam, please
really
listen
sorry,
1
sir.
minute. 1
Yeah.
minute. See, bit of when you want to make some discussion is a bit interesting. You have to share each other. It will
Agreed,
not
sir.
take
Agreed, sir.
more than a minute.
Agreed. We will do that. Just let him complete with the lecture because I'm seeing there is some time. We are having about 10 minutes. His lecture is just about to be over. Please
Yeah,
give him
because
5 minutes. We will discuss after.
this is
Fine,
not a
fine. We'll
long.
wait for you.
Yeah, this is not a long lecture, so we can finish it first. Yeah.
Vinayak ji, please go ahead.
Yeah. So this is the second example we are taking. Okay, this is a female native chart. With a female native chart, born on 25th Feb 1976, 401 in Pune, Maharashtra, is a birthplace. So here we are taking 3 events. Okay, but in this technique, in this chart, we are using the progression technique. In last chart, we have with the retrograde planet. Here we are taking direct movement of planet. Okay, so these all 3 events you can see it is happening between 2001 and 2003. So during that time, Moon Dasha was started. Okay, from 28th of April 2001. Okay, and here you can see in chart, Moon is located in the first house. So it means the progression starts from the first house and it will move in forward direction because Moon always in direct motion. So it will always move in forward direction like this, and it will, and when it reaches to its original position in Sagittarius, Moon Dasha will end. Okay, and as we already know, Moon Dasha is for 10 years, so we are taking 10 months in a sign. Okay, so Moon is at 13 degree in this chart. So first we have to convert those 13 degree into number of days so that we can come to know like how much days are left in that specific sign. Okay, so for that we have a formula like before we use in this chart we are using the same technique, same formula. Just multiply that degrees into the number of days in a sign of moon, like 304 is the number of days. Just multiply this thing and divide by 30, you will get the number of days. It's uh, cross in that sign. Okay, and this minus, just subtract that number of days from 304.38 days. You will get the exact number of days left for that sign to traverse that specific sign. Okay, so after 163 days, it will moon will move to Capricorn sign, and then after 10 months, okay, 10 months in Capricorn, it will move to Aquarius, and after every 10 months, it will traverse one sign, okay, and progress into next sign like this, okay, and during April 28, 2011, it will reaches to its original position in Sagittarius, and Dasha ends automatically, and this and in this progression, Moon will automatically cover all signs. Okay, For this, I am taking the one example here, like the marriage. Okay, so the native got married in when moon progress in the Pisces sign. Okay, 9th of June 2003 started. For it means from 9th June 2003 for next 10 months, moon is progressing in Pisces sign. So here you can see Pisces sign means moon is progressing in the fourth house. So when moon reaches to the fourth house, now for marriage, here you have to see the fourth house significations, the sign 12, and the Karaka Jupiter. In female native, as we already know, Jupiter is the Karaka for marriage. Okay, and in this chart, you can see Jupiter is located in Revati Nakshatra. Okay, so you have to take in account like Nakshatra, house signification, sign significations, and the karakas. All these parameters you can take. Okay, so when moon reaches to the fourth house in the Pisces sign, Jupiter activated. Jupiter is in Revati Nakshatra Mercury, and we know Mercury is the lord of seventh house and the 10th house. It means the seventh house is activating and the Karaka Jupiter is also activating. Okay, so the native got married. If you see the transit of this native on that specific month, we can double check the same event. Like so, when moon reaches to the fourth house, native got married. Okay, like this technique works. There are only two things: progression and regression. For retrograde planet, we have to move backward, and for direct motion planet, we have to move forward. Okay, and the another thing is like you may find difficulties in calculating these dates. Okay, you have to calculate in manual way. So for that thing, I'm giving you some reference link. Okay, in this slide you can see this link. This link you can open this link and just put on that date, the starting date of that Mahadasha.
Vinayak, you can show the demo.
Okay.
आपको स्क्रीन शो जो है ना एंड करना पड़ेगा पीपीटी का, तो आपका गूगल क्रोम तभी शेयर होएगा.
ओके, तो अभी गूगल क्रोम शो नहीं हो रहा है ना?
हाँ, अभी नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि वो शेयर स्क्रीन से
Okay.
आपको स्विच करना पड़ेगा.
Just wait.
Shivam, I'm getting sometime break. Is it for everyone or only to me?
No, it's for everyone, sir.
Voice break is there?
Voice break or
Voice break?
अच्छा, I thought
Yeah.
lunch break you were talking about. Sorry. So voice break is not there. वो थोड़ा आपका इंटरनेट से थोड़ा सा इशू हो सकता है, आप उसको देख लीजिए एक बार. It's going good for all.
Yeah. So this is the link which I have given in that PPT. Okay. You can open this link. Here you can see date, month, and year. Just put the beginning date of that Mahadasha. Suppose Dasha is starting on 19th of Feb 1989. Just put this thing, and like suppose if Dasha is of Rahu Dasha. Okay, Rahu Dasha, as we know, for 18 years, we are taking 18 months. So in month box, just put 18 months. That's it. If you are calculating in day manner, so you have to put the number of days here. Okay, like I put the 18 month and the date. Just repeat this thing for 11 times. Calculate. Here you can see like during the first 18 months, Rahu will give result from 19th Feb 1989 to 19th August 1990. And for next 18 months, it will give result from 19th August 1990 to 19th Feb 1992. Like this, you will get all dates. So like this, we can calculate in very easy manner. Is it clear to all?
Clear, sir.
Yeah. And yes, one more thing, like number of days you have to calculate in manual way. Okay, like the suppose if Rahu is in 18 degree, so first you have to convert that 18 degree into the number of days. Okay, so for the first sign you have to calculate manually, and after that you can use this simple technique.
आई थिंक विनायक जी
Yes.
अब आई थिंक कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं वो ले लेते हैं.
हाँ.
पहले इनका विजय कुमार मुर्री जी का प्रश्न था वो रिगार्डिंग दी करंट डेवलपमेंट्स. प्लीज जी आप पूछ सकते हैं अपना प्रश्न.
आपसे पूछिए, आप जो पूछ रहे थे आप.
मेरा कहना ये था कि see 2020 see I take it as a 4 number. Okay, the exactly 4th, sorry, that April 2020 the lockdown started somewhere bit, so 10-15 days before and after. Okay, so same thing, events were happening. Okay, like earlier there was a recession was there in 2006. 2008. So any such things can be predicted in your earlier experience or something.
Yeah, we can predict, and I think we have also predicted these kind of things. So only by using transit. Okay, but yes,
yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, like lockdown and all those things, we can't predict exactly like yes, lockdown is going to happen. But yes, we can predict like country may face these kind of difficulties or any problems related to public or mass public, like migrants are moving from one state to another. We can predict these things, and I already predicted these migrants movement and all those things in my Facebook and YouTube videos.
So one question.
Yeah, Venkat Chidambaram ji, sorry.
One more question from me.
Sir, one
We'll take one by one. We'll take one by one. Huh? Chidambaram ji.
Sir, when we start the progression of a Dasa Lord, it must be starting from any degree. Maybe suppose, for example, 15 degrees in a house, whatever may be the house. So for the half the period only, it will give events related to that house, whichever be the house. And again, when it comes back again, at the end of the Dasha, again the balance part will be given?
No. Yeah.
So same house events can repeat at the end of the Dasha also.
Yes. Like left out, let's suppose if it's 15 degree. Okay.
Yes,
so during starting the first 15 degree, it will give result. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And that same planet, when it reaches to its original position,
yes, sir.
The rest of 15 degree, it will give result.
But the events, have you ever done analysis on the same chart? Similar events have happened in the beginning of the Dasha and the end of the Dasha, or how?
No. As I already told you, you have to be transit also, no?
Yeah, exactly. So, is there any chart you can explain with transits?
Yeah, but it will take. We have a limited time period, so we can't take transit right now. But you can check it. Okay. It's a very easy thing. Like you can see, like when we say the 4th house is activating. Okay,
yes, sir.
So 4th house may be activated many number of times in different dashas. So every time same event will not repeat.
Yeah.
Okay. So for that, what you can do is you can just include the dasha that transit part. Okay. So in transit, you can see the result will completely change every time.
Okay, sir. We will try.
Okay. Like in that native chart, marriage is happened when the 4th house activated. Okay. It means the 4th house, Jupiter is in Mercury Nakshatra. Mercury is a lord of 7th house. It means in transit also, Jupiter must influence the 7th house. Okay, and the Karaka of marriage, like Jupiter, must be influence the 7th house and its 4th house. Then only marriage can take place.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Clear.
So it means the transit of Karaka and the transit of that house.
Sir.
One second. Rajiv Sharma जी, उनका प्रश्न है कुछ, उनको पूछने दीजिए.
Actually, it just got answered. I wanted to ask the same question which you just asked. Thank you.
Uday Prajapati ji.
Yes, so my question is, the technique has been applied on the Mahadasha. So would the same proportional, regression and progression we can apply to the Antardashas and,
Yeah,
principles?
yeah. Like I told in the beginning, like this is only the first layer.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
So for Antardasha, we have the same techniques, but they slightly different. Okay, you
Okay,
can use the same technique in Varsha Kundli
all right,
as well as in Navmansha also.
fine. Thank you, sir.
Okay, like for example, like suppose planet is in direct motion. Okay, so for Navmansha,
विनायक जी बोलिए.
Yes, sir.
yes. So for direct motion, the result of Navmansha is from first Navmansha. Okay, and suppose the planet is in retrograde motion, the Navmansha result will be reversed. Like from third Navmansha, you can see result like this. We have a different techniques for this. So maybe in future we can make again we can cover these things like for Antardasha.
ठीक है.
and for
We will take
Navmansha.
2 more questions only.
Yeah.
Avneet ji, you have a question?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Like we did for direct motion and retrograde motion, but sometimes planet may be stationary in somebody's chart. So how do we take into account those?
Yeah, for stationary again we have a different technique. So for stationary we are not using this progression regression. So that is a completely different technique for this for that motion.
Okay. Last question, I think Mr. Hariom. Yeah.
सर जो अस्त ग्रह हैं या जो कम्बस्ट प्लैनेट हैं उनके लिए भी सर सेम टेक्निक यूज होती है?
सेम टेक्निक काम करेगा.
अच्छा,
बट उनका नेचर चेंज हो जाएगा ना, रिजल्ट का नेचर इट विल गिव
कम हो जाएगा.
या ये बेसिकली आप इस टेक्निक का दिस इज जस्ट अ वर्चुअल प्रोग्रेशन नॉट एक्चुअल. आपको सिर्फ इसमें हिंट मिल रहा है कि यस दिस हाउस इज एक्टिवेटिंग, है ना. आप बस वहां पर अपना कार का पिक करिए, सिग्निफिकेशंस पिक करिए, यू कैन प्रेडिक्ट रिजल्ट.
सर इसमें मून ट्रांजिट का क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
फॉर डेली प्रेडिक्शन, लाइक सपोज इफ सन की दशा चल रही है एंड वी आर प्रोग्रेसिंग 6 मंथ्स इन अ साइन, तो आपके पास वो 6 मंथ्स का ड्यूरेशन आ गया. नाउ वी हैव टू प्रेडिक्ट कि विद इन दैट 6 मंथ व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रिजल्ट यू कैन एक्सपीरियंस. ओके, अगर आपको मंथली देखना उन 6 महीने में, तो यू कैन यूज द सन ट्रांजिट.
तो दैट मींस कि रिजल्ट सन मून देगा जिस भी हाउस में ट्रेवल कर रहा है.
हाँ, मून देगा. लाइक ट्रांजिट के जो प्रिंसिपल्स है वो नॉर्मल वही लगेंगे इसमें, है ना. फॉर डेली प्रेडिक्शन लाइक मून भी रिजल्ट उसमें देगा, मून का नक्षत्र भी देगा, है ना, क्योंकि मून का नक्षत्र भी है ना. नक्षत्र मून, तो अगर आपको फिर उसके बाद डेली प्रेडिक्शंस पे जाना है देन यू हैव टू यूज मून नक्षत्र लाइक दिस.
थैंक यू सर.
Vinayak ji, thanks a lot. We are almost on time. It's 1:25.
Yeah. I think it's
all
almost
of
time.
Yeah. All of you, please post your feedback with respect to Vinayak ji's lecture. It was very enlightening. People have written their feedback with respect to that.
Question, please. One question. इनका एड्रेस दिल्ली में कहाँ पर है? आपका एड्रेस?
ये डिटेल आपको अलग से मिल जाएगी. आप बताना चाहें तो विनायक जी बता सकते हैं.
प्लीज
वो आप नेट पे ढूंढ सकते हैं,
वो आप नेट पे ढूंढ लीजिएगा. ठीक है.
ओके जी, थैंक यू.
Vinayak, just one last question.
Yes.
When you are talking about moon, are you correlating with the day also? So this will happen on Monday. If it comes, it will not happen. It will happen on Sunday.
Yes,
Sunday like that. You are correlating with the day also, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
ठीक है. आई थिंक बाकी सब लोग, आई थिंक जो लोग लंच के लिए ब्रेक करना चाहते हैं वो लंच के लिए ब्रेक कर लीजिए. ठीक है. और अगर अभी भी किसी का कोई क्वेरी है, बिकॉज इट इज लंच टाइम, वी आर टेकिंग अ लग्जरी फॉर एक्स्ट्रा 5 minutes, but more others please break for lunch, those who don't have queries, because we will start by 2 o'clock and 1:55 everyone has to log in. किसी और का कोई प्रश्न है तो पूछ सकते हैं अभी.
अगर इससे रिलेटेड भी कुछ क्वेरीज हैं,
इससे रिलेटेड प्लीज रिलेटेड टू दिस सब्जेक्ट.
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है
सर. मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है. आई एम राजीव है.
एक काम करिए, आप इसमें ना चैट बॉक्स पे हैंड रेज.
मैडम पूछिए
चैट
प्लीज.
बॉक्स में मैं 3 टाइम्स लिख चुकी हूँ बट मुझे आंसर नहीं मिला.
बोलिए.
एक्चुअली मेरा राहु की महादशा है और राहु अष्टम में है, तो अभी नवंबर ऑनवर्ड स्टार्ट हुआ है ये, और सिंह लगन का हॉरोस्कोप में
अष्टम में है ना, तो फॉर इट मींस कि फॉर first 18 months, you will see the result of 8th house.
Okay.
Okay, so वो जो 8th house and the sign in 8th house, या
Okay.
फिर और भी कोई साथ में planet है, तो you can
Saturn.
Saturn है ना?
KP में Saturn.
हाँ,
KP में Saturn with the Rahu in 8th Leo लगन.
KP में Saturn मतलब?
KP मतलब KP एस्ट्रोलॉजी के अकॉर्डिंग
अच्छा, उसमें
चार्ट
Saturn
के
नहीं,
अकॉर्डिंग
आप नॉर्मल लग्न चार्ट में आप देखिए.
लगन चार्ट में राहु अष्टम में है और 9th में सैटर्न है. ओनली राहु अष्टम में है मेरा.
हाँ, तो हम राहु अष्टम में भी लेते हैं, है ना? राहु अष्टम में लीजिए 8th हाउस, और उसमें जो नंबर, जो साइन उसमें राइज कर रहा है, वो
साइन उसमें आ रहा है मीन का, आइसिस
मीन का आ रहा है ना?
जी जी.
हाँ, तो फिर ये जो स्टार्टिंग के जो 18 मंथ का जो फेज रहेगा, इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू ड्यूरिंग दिस राहु दशा.
फॉर शारीरिक दशा. शारीरिक. ओके.
यस, डेफिनेटली फॉर हेल्थ, और कोई मिस हैपनिंग, कोई एक्सीडेंट्स, ये तो चीजों से रिलेटेड एक्सपेंसेस, स्पेशली, है ना, मेडिकल एक्सपेंसेस, ये सब चीजें यू कैन फेस.
ओके. एक चीज और है, अगर हम लोग इस राहु कोई काम पे लगा दें अपने ऑकल्ट में ही, मैं इसको अपना स्टडी में और सब चीजों में मैं लगा रही हूँ, तो इट मींस आई एम सेफ.
Yes, because see, 8th house is a hidden thing, na? Hidden knowledge and all
हाँ
these
जी.
things. Like you are studying this astrology.
जी.
It means you can. It acts like a remedy also.
या बिकॉज मैंने इन सबको अपने राहु को प्लेनेट को काम पे लगा दिया, हिडन नॉलेज और इस सब चीजें, एस्ट्रोलॉजी, ऑकल्ट साइंस, एवरीथिंग. तो इट मींस आई एम सेफ.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
I think
And after 18 months, it will move to your 7th house.
Okay.
तो
7th house.
तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग फिर आप उसमें रिजल्ट आप देख सकते हैं.
Okay. 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 Thank you. Thank you.
एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन लेंगे बस अब हम.
I
think ये दत्तात्रेय जी ने हाथ रखे हैं. बोलिए दत्तात्रेय जी. या
दत्तात्रेय जी
आई थिंक हम उनको नहीं सुन पा रहे हैं, कोई बात नहीं है.
Can I ask?
या बोलिए.
This is सर, ये मुझे पूछना है कि इस टेक्निक में और जो काल चक्र दशा की टेक्निक है, ये दोनों मतलब उसके हिसाब से दोनों कंसाइड करनी चाहिए. whatever house is
not even काल चक्र दशा, कोई भी दशा पिक करेंगे ना तो वो मैच करेगा. मतलब ऐसा नहीं होगा कि महादशा में कुछ और रिजल्ट मिल रहे होंगे, काल चक्र में ऐसा नहीं है, है ना? whatever दशा यू टेक, वो इवेंट सेम उसमें मिलेगा.
Okay,
बट वो कैलकुलेशन का तरीका थोड़ा चेंज हो जाएगा बस.
Thank you, Vinayak ji. Thanks a lot. Now we will have a lunch session, 30 minutes. We will meet after around 2:25 को मिलेंगे हम लोग. 2:05 को मिलते हैं.
Yes.
Right? Shivam, I'll call you within.
Yeah.
Thank you. Excellent lecture, sir. Yeah. Excellent lecture, Vinayak ji. Thanks a lot. Saptarishi ki.
Thank you, Vinayak.
Very excellent. Thank you. Thank you. Very excellent.
Vinayak ji, you are there for a minute. You are leaving?
या एक्चुअली सेशन अभी एंड कर रहे हैं हम लोग यहाँ से, क्योंकि सब लोगों को लंच पे ब्रेक करना है. तो आई थिंक यहाँ तक रखें. आप पूछ लीजिए, आपका प्रश्न है लास्ट. इसके बाद एक्चुअली अभी ब्रेक कर देंगे हम लोग.
For me, I have seen my rotation after a very 9th year.
Okay.
So if it is 2006, my issue will be come on 2015. So the next will be on again 8 number. Like that, it is rotating. The good time comes after when it sums up to 9. The 2007 is good for me. Okay, 1989 is good for me. 2016 is good for me. Okay, wherever it comes 9 like that. 9 and 10. Okay, even I can predict myself like that. What is the next day good for me? But what is the bad? But I don't know what is the background, how to match it with your logic.
Can you ask again, like what exactly you want to ask?
See, exactly. See, 1989. Okay, it's a 9 number. It's a good for me. Okay, next 9 comes is 2007. That is good for me. Okay, the next comes is 2016. Okay, 9. It is good for me. I know what is the next route.
Okay. You are using numerology kind of thing.
I'm not telling numerology. Suddenly, number is there, so we have to manage numerology. Okay, so I know that it comes in the Jeshtamas. So depending on that, even the number is changing. Okay, And if it comes in 8, it's an issue for me. 2006 is a problem. Okay.
Okay, so you are saying
2006 is a problem.
2006 is a problematic for you. Okay,
2006 comes means I have to make sure that 8 when it repeats. Okay. Next 8 will repeat after 9 years. Okay. I have to make sure of that. So I can chart out from last so many years. I've got all events. But only thing is I was not able to correlate with any of your logics.
It means this technique is you can't able to correlate with your events.
ठीक है विजय विनायक जी I think we'll break it here. Sorry we are running out of time.
Yeah, no, fine.
Okay.
Because that will be a longer discussion.
Yeah.
We have to see the chart.
Right. So I think thank you everyone. I think we can we will end the Amit ji, are we ending it here? We will be everyone will be rejoining by the link.
Yes, in the same link we can rejoin.
Yeah, that's right. Amit ji, no, I'm saying he's ending the meeting there. Amit ji,
he's muted.
One second. ठीक है विनायक जी will close it here. ठीक है
आप एक बार अनाउंस कर दीजिए कि दोबारा इसी लिंक पे सब
हाँ दोबारा इसी लिंक पे आना है. आई थिंक अगर मीटिंग अगर होस्ट एंड नहीं कर रहे हैं आई थिंक मैं विल चेक विद सुनील जी if he is ending it or not. If he is not ending, let it be on here. I will just currently mute everyone and then everyone can stop their videos and directly come back here also. That is also not a problem. Yeah.
Shivam, just एक बात अभी next division जी का है ना after lunch?
मेरे को भी schedule clear नहीं है. I'll have to
okay, no problem. Okay.